Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. If you want to disconnect your Instagram account from your Facebook account, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Instagram app and then just tap on your profile icon. Now select three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it. Here just scroll down and look for account center. Here's that. Just tap on it. And here just scroll down and look for accounts. Here's that, just tap on it. Here you have the option of remove your Facebook account. Just tap on remove and then tap on remove account. And after tapping on continue, your Facebook account will be successfully disconnected from your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.